Hey guys, today's a Sunday. I'm on my way to Honda to bring my car in for the 6 months car checkup. This is a Route 311, which is known as the Loop 8. When driving this road during a weekday, you'll be packed with full car. Because it's Sunday, there are less people driving the car. So as you can see, there are less car. It's very comfortable driving this route. No obstruction of car in your head. It's very comfortable. So do not speed up, and because you see there's no car ahead. This is close to where another toll road is junction to another toll road to Yokohama direction, which was the left. So passing through it, I had to go all the way to the Tomei Express entrance, and it looks like I will be getting into jam where the Route 246 and the Tomei Express entrance. Those are the one, even though the Saturday is Sunday, those are the area it known for the car will be stuck in. So I'm closing to the Honda car dealer, and I think it's about the 10 more minutes from this locations. Other than that, you're gonna be, if you pass this area, you'll be able to keep on going without any stress of driving car this route. But if this area is too much car, so in order to avoid Route 246 and Route 246, going to make a right turn, it will take you to Shibuya, another direction to Atsugi, which is the other side of Yokohama's. And I'm about to passing Tomei Express entrance. Now I'm stuck. So 2 of the lane is going into the Tomei Express for the Shibuya. I reached to this Honda. This is the vessel. The US, they know HRB. This is the display. It's a nice colors. I have to wait about the 50 more minutes. They open up this shop. I'm about to get into the car shop. This is a coffee maker. You don't need to pay. This is free of charge. You can choose the 4 type of the drinks you can choose from. Italian blend. Another one on the right is 2 of kinds. Kilimanjaro. Another one. So organic one. The one thing which I like it, you can see after grinded, you see all the process of dripping and putting hot water. When you look underneath, after and finish all the process, grinding and putting hot water, I think my coffee is almost ready. Yeah, here we go. This is my coffee of the day. I arrived at this location at around 10 o'clock. So it's no one in the shops. And as you can see on the right is Route 311, which is known as Loop 8. See the car. There are 3 lanes. It's stuck in because on this 2 inner lane will toward to the Tomei Express, which is the two of the right lane is toward Yokohama directions. This is inside the car Honda shops look like. That's a display in Honda Accord. I thought this is a brand new, but it happened to be it's the one of the used car. So let's take a look at this car in this shop. This is a Honda Accord. That's a right-handed car. Without looking from the back all the way into the front, it's too clean. But you see this label is the used car. This car is not the latest, but 2021 model of the Honda Accord. As if this is like only 3 years. The 3 years model, like a 2021 model. That's too clean. During my 6 months maintenance, it's gonna take about an hour, so I had to stay in this car shop. So during that time, I spend the time, sometimes explore. You open up where the driver's seats look like, steering wheels, all the equipment, and the front. It has more space compared to other Honda's SUV. Let's take a look at the rear seat. It has a leg space. I think this is pretty comfortable, and the people sitting on the front and the back is very comfortable. This was a Honda Accord 2021 model. This is a car maintenance look like after. The after engineer will give me the section where they inspected. So they have a picture what they did on the left and the right, and check my all the 4 tires in the front and back. So the using 6 months car maintenance. There are for in Japan, there are for the used car. You have to use a 2 years inspection. Before it doesn't require, but if you use the service, you could avoid any hiccup after 2 years. For a new car, you don't have to do the official type of car maintenance. So the reason why I'm using the Honda Total Care, I just keep maintaining the Honda's car. And this is after my 6 months car checkup. I'm on my way to my home. It's bad. As you can see, I'm stuck in the middle. It's close to the 12 lunchtime. So when driving a car, probably it's better to drive a loop 8 early in the morning, probably around 9 to 10. When you're close to the lunchtime, this is what they're gonna look like. You'll be stuck in the middle. But as I mentioned, if you pass this area, Tomei Express entrance area, the Route 246, which is Shibuya directions and Yokohama directions, you'll be comfortable driving the car in Sunday. Well, there's only 2 locations you have an issue with car jamming. Well, after passing, I'm ready to go home. See, it's comfortable. Well, have a safe driving car in Tokyo. See you next time. Bye.